Hello?
I have just one question for you. Are you ready?
Am I ready for what? Who's this?
Are you ready for this Sunday night when WWE Champ John Cena?
I'm sorry, no. Hello?
Hi, can I speak to Champ?
Who?
Champ? Is Champ there?
Who is Champ?
That question will be answered this Sunday night. Cena defends the belt.
Listen,
WWE.
I swear to Jesus.
Okay, good morning. Hi, I'm just calling this morning to ask if you're a supporter of the United States military.
I apologize, and yes.
Great. Are you a supporter of the Marine Corps?
Yes.
Great, because a former decorated member of the United States Marine Corps needs your support.
And his name is John Cena.